Right now, tonight at 6, a judge has dropped a Louisville family's lawsuit. They were blaming the bail project in Louisville for playing a role in their daughter's death. 17-year-old Madelynn Troutt was killed in a head-on car crash in March of 2021 by a driver who police say was under the influence. In their lawsuit, the family said the bail project was negligent in not reviewing Michael DeWitt's criminal history before getting him out of jail on bond. Isaiah Kim Martinez is looking into the judge's ruling for us. And Isaiah, what was the reasonings for dismissing this lawsuit?
Well, Doug, to be clear, DeWitt's alleged role here in Trout's death is not being disputed, but Judge Ann Bailey Smith says pinning the responsibility on the bail project goes too far here.
My big sister and her beautiful life was taken from me and my family due to a local bail group.
The pain plaguing Madelynn Trout's family resonated across the room in Frankfort back in February. Sitting close by was Shamika Parrish-Wright, who months later says she remains heartbroken for them.
She was so beautiful, and nobody wants this to happen to anyone.
Parrish-Wright, who worked with the bail project at the time of the incident, was accused of negligence in the lawsuit alongside the group. She tells me while she feels for the family, the organization is not to blame.
Mr. DeWitt's grandmother could have paid his bail. There is no way to foresee what has happened, but he is the lone person that is responsible for what happened to Madelynn.
This week, a judge agreed. In the order, she writes, quote, "The question comes down to whether posting another person's bond gives rise to a duty to either investigate the person's suitability for release or a duty to monitor the person's activities afterward. Kentucky law is clear that the answer to this question is no," end quote. She goes on to say the district judge who originally set Michael DeWitt's bond made no conditions that said otherwise.
We have to make sure that we're being clear and we're using logic to make sure we understand the whole situation.
The ruling states the district judge found DeWitt wasn't likely to be a danger to the public if released. We spoke with the Troutt family Wednesday and asked for a response. They've turned it over to their attorney and we're still waiting to hear back. Parrish-Wright says regardless of the result, there are no winners in this.
Nobody wanted this tragedy. It is definitely a lose-lose situation.
Earlier this year, the Troutt family was in Frankfort in support of a bill that would limit how much charitable bail organizations could post for a suspect. Madelynn's law, as it's called, has been tabled and will await Senate approval in the 2023 session. And the judge dismissed the lawsuit with prejudice, meaning the family can't refile the same claim again in Jefferson Circuit Court. And Doug, we also have the full statement from the bail project. We'll have that posted on our website here, WHAS11.com.
All right. Thank you very much, Isaiah.